Welcome, everybody. We are going to do a session today that I hope is a little bit more creative and fun than your general website day-to-day maintenance and updating work. Um, I am going to say right up front that in the spirit of artificial intelligence, almost everything today is going to be we're just going to see what we get because a couple different things. Number one, you can prompt AI multiple different times with the same prompt and get a different result. You can also notice over time that the results you get with artificial intelligence are going to change, and we're going to use several different types of tools. So the quality of and results of what we get out of artificial intelligence changes as the as the as the training of the different tools goes up, as they are tuned to different skill sets, I guess, things just change over time. So everything to say that the disclaimer for today is that we're going to wing it and see what we get, but it might give you a starting place to be a little more creative and maybe help you along if you don't feel like you're a great website designer or a great website um, really feel like you have a lot of confidence in analyzing the content of your website and knowing whether what you have out there might be appealing to everybody or meet some kind of quality standard. This is a tool, this is a method, this is another thing in your toolbox to play with. So all that to say, today's session is going to be on using some different artificial generatives, specifically artificial intelligence for website design. And a little bit of background, what I mean by generative artificial intelligence is this is what we're talking about these days when we talk about um, breaking it into two major categories, the chatbots being specifically like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini to some degree, although Gemini is becoming more integrated of a tool, Perplexity, Copilot. These are your generative artificial intelligence AI tools. I'm also going to look at a couple of integrated generative AI tools, and we're specifically going to look at the AI tools that are integrated into Canva and right into Divi itself. I have not played a lot with the Divi tool. I think you're going to see why in a little bit. Like, I don't expect that a lot of you are going to want to dive into using um, the Divi tool, but it's there. We'll talk about it. Um, but the main thing with the generative AI is that what it does is it takes a prompt, it takes a request, it takes something that makes it want to create or do something, and it prompts it, it pushes it to create an output. And our output today is going to be looking at designing a new web page. I know a lot of people feel like when they're left to when they have something new to put on their website or they're being asked to redesign their website, um, they don't really know where to start. It's hard to take something and create a visual design if you are not a gifted designer or visual designer of some kind. Most of us aren't. Most of us are not trained in visual design. And and so the end piece of this is like if you are designing a website rebuild and you want to like think about how you're going to completely create a new page or create a new website, what tools do you have? What do you have that you can like turn around and create a mock-up and then you could share it with us at Lean Wisconsin and we could work on it together to actually create a web page in real life. Maybe a quick example to describe what I'm talking about. I did, and this is very much based on what we're going to do today in action. I got a request from, oops, let's see, from the Sherman and Ruth Weiss Community Library in Hayward, Wisconsin. They are doing a fundraiser called the hiking or called the hiking fundraiser. and they needed a web page designed for this fundraiser. So I received from them a brochure, which maybe I can find in my downloads if I still have it. Nope. Anyway, I received a brochure from them, and not having a lot of time to copy and paste and just create something on my own, I took this and I fed it into, and I'm going to say right up front, I use Claude mostly for the visual pieces. I used Claude in this case. I said, here's a brochure, help me create a web page for this hiking fundraiser. And so what it came up with was a mock-up of a page, and it took all the elements from this PDF poster brochure and it organized it into something that could very easily become a web page for this fundraiser. It did not code it. We are not coding a page here today. We are not building HTML. What we are doing is creating basically an organizational visual that we can take and apply to a Divi build to create a web page. So we're going to do that today for another library project very similar to this one. But before we dive in, there will be a tutorial right up on this that you can come back to. We're going to specifically today talk about two chatbots that I've had the most success with, and we're going to talk about Canva and Divi itself. So for getting started, I would recommend the best way to begin is if you have a brochure, if you have some amount of information about your topic. So I would say, let's see, gathering up the most information you possibly can is going to be helpful. You want brochures, posters, pictures, maybe newsletter articles, logos, maybe an existing website or your website to model off of. The more specific you can be with the prompting that you do, the more likely you're going to get an output that you can really refine and work with. And so the scenario that we're going to work with today is to design a new Friends of the Library webpage for the Thorpe Public Library. And I've already received a brochure from them. I have a logo, and I know that I have the Thorpe Public Library website. So looking at the information we have, I have this brochure with the Thorpe Friends. It has their logo, it has the basic content. What's nice about a brochure and what works really well generally with AI is that they have already broken up all of the content into these sections. So now if we start thinking both about website accessibility and website design, what you have here already is a breakdown of the different headings that you're going to need for designing a web page. Brochures are a great place to start. Sometimes on a newsletter article, it's also a great place to start if it's broken down things into different areas. And this is a great bite-sized piece. As I said, I also have the logo. So I'm going to test this with two different chatbots today that I've had varying levels of success. In general, I have found that ChatGPT works better with organization of words and content, but I can push it to actually develop a fully designed web page. Claude tends to jump right into the visual design and give me back something that it can work with visually right off the bat. So it kind of depends what you have and what you want to work for. If you're looking at more at like you have a jumble of a lot of different information, maybe you have multiple different documents that have a lot of information, like maybe you're trying to organize a history of the library or a history of something in your community, and you have a lot of old newspaper, articles, pictures, brochures, different things, and you don't really have the time to like organize it yourself. ChatGPT tends to be the winner in organizing information, reading through a whole bunch of information, pulling out and highlighting, and grouping that into a format and a flow that makes sense on a page. Claude tends to excel at taking already organized information and creating a design with it. Now, I say that with a caveat that this is July 2026, and these things change rapidly. The Claude piece of being able to spit out an actual design was a relatively new, something that I found maybe last spring, that it was actually capable of doing. And the fact that ChatGPT is capable of it at all is pretty impressive, because about 6 months ago, ChatGPT would not do anything functionally with any kind of visuals. I'm also going to say what I'm working in here is a free version. I do have paid versions of both of these accounts that I do my normal work in, but I want to demonstrate for you. ChatGPT will allow you to work in an unsigned in incognito browser. You do not have to have an account. However, it will not let you upload anything more than photos if you are not logged in. So if you create a free account with ChatGPT at this point, then you can do these other functions, which is also involves uploading more than just photos, but you can also do files and documents. Claude requires you to have an account to do any of this, but again, we're doing this in a unpaid account so that you can kind of get an example of what you can get for free. And then if you go up to the $20 a month, you have some, basically you can do everything that you would need to do, except maybe some very intensive developing in the free versions. So with that, I've done a little bit of background work. Again, we'll talk a little bit about prompt engineering in a second, but I want to dive right into what we can do. I have the brochure here, and I have the logo. So I'm going to right off the bat upload my Friends of the Library brochure and the Thorpe Friends logo here. And so I've got those uploading, and I've already crafted a basic prompt for this exercise. And we'll talk a little bit about how you can do the prompting. If you already have documents and resources, the prompt is much easier to write because it's going to use the content in the documents as its reference. We'll have to be more specific later when we don't have those things. But with AI, one of the very best things, or most important things that you can think of is to be very specific and as detailed as possible in your request. And so my prompt for this is going to be, I would like to create a new web page for a new Friends of the Library group. Please use the attached brochure to design a new web page that would be part of my library website at thorpepubliclibrary.org. It features their logo, which is attached, but integrates with the style of the rest of the website. Please ensure that all elements meet WCAG 2.1 level AA accessibility standards. So this is going to make sure that we're covering that accessibility piece right off the bat. It should probably do a good job of that, but I really want to make sure that's specific. So let's send ChatGPT to work on this. And it's going to look at it, it's going to read the documents. And now, as I said, ChatGPT really wants to just output text to begin with. And so it's going to tell you how to organize the page. And it's going to give you the overall design with a hero banner, friends logo, the title, become a friend, the page layout, and what all the different things. It's basically just pulling the content from the brochure. And to some degree, you're like, yeah, I could read that. I've got the brochure. Thanks. And then it checks the accessibility. This is where I am going to now say, can you create a visual mock-up of this web design? And it's going to work on this for a few minutes. Might be a little different than I experienced before with it, but let's see what happens when I come over and I give that same prompt um, to Claude. I'm going to add downloads, my brochure and my logo. And let's see what Claude's. And Claude's going to probably think about it a little bit harder off the bat. We'll see what happens. We're going to read the brochure element. Let's see what ChatGPT is doing. Oh, still working on the draft here. Claude is going to think. So while we are running our queries in the background, never know when it's going to quite finish. Sweet. Always promising your gut's going to be done. Okay, we'll come over here. I want to talk a little bit about creating that prompt. So again, that prompt that I used, I would like to create a web page for the Friends of the Library group for Thorpe Public Library. We have a guideline on the 7 P's of prompting that I saw at WLA, and I am using with permission from Chris Turner at the Law Library at UW-Madison. He does this law training in how to format and create generative AI prompts. And this is a really good kind of way to work through thinking about organizing your prompt. You want to start with your role or your persona, your role or your perspective. So this one might be a little extra for this particular project, but to say I am a web manager. So in this case, I'm the website manager, person in charge of the website. What is the product that you want to have output? The third P is the actual prompt. And this is where you create that action word. What do you want it to do? And in this case, we're designing or recreating. Other action words might use analyze or research or compile or review. But in this case, we're designing or we're creating a web page. What is the purpose? We want to create a web page that will integrate into our existing website for the Friends of the Library. The prime is also an important piece because this is where you can add that extra context that you want to be specific. And in this case, I want this to be something that is complementary to the entire website as a whole, but stands out with a unique identity of the Friends of the Library. And this is also one of these places, the purpose or the prime should be the place that you want to talk about the WCAG standards and accessibility standards, making sure that that gets in there. And so it's checking those boxes. You don't have to go back and do it later. This might not be as important because we're creating a public web page with public documents, but we do want to keep in mind that we're not feeding in or asking to reveal any non-public information. If there isn't contact information included in the brochure or the other documents, don't have that come out. And then we will continue with the polishing at the very end after we see the results. So when you're creating your prompt, this is a really nice way, a guideline of kind of thinking through the natural language conversation that you want to be having and as much detail as possible to get a result. Let's go back and wow, we are still tweaking. Let's see if we get anything from Claude. So right now with Claude, we have building a page and it's doing all of the combinations. And now it has done an HTML file. So this is going to just give you your overview of what it's pulled out and what it's doing with it. And then we have the code that we can see to see the example of what it thinks we should do. So we can decide whether we like this or not. I'm going to go to the Thorpe website so you can see what we've got as our basic page. So the Friends of the Library, it's taken some of the elements from the Thorpe Public Library. some degree. Um, and it's taken, it looks like it's no, kind of grabbed the font. Not really. No, didn't really grab the font. But what it did do is it organized the information into some visual things. To me, this looks a little corporate. Like I think Friends of the Library should be a little more fun and relaxed. It did suggest making a membership dues contact form, which might be out of the scope of our particular web building skills, but that's okay. We just want to get the idea of where the information needs to lie. So it's laid it out in a nice visual way. I just feel it looks a little corporate and doesn't really match the style of our very simple library website here. Okay, so that was um, the first go here. That GPT is still thinking. So let's go back and we'll work in this polish piece. Let's see what we can do. I like the organization, but I feel like the look is rather corporate and boring, where we would like a more engaging look to attract people who want to be excited about supporting the library. Let's see what it does with that. And ChatGPT is still thinking. The other thing that I've noticed is I'm currently using blank um, accounts that I haven't worked with before. The AI's chatbots seem to kind of work as they learn your proclivities and what you like, and they kind of get feedback over time. They sort of develop a response that is personalized to you. So when I use my paid account, I might get a very different result from this because it already knows that I do a lot of library website design. So I'll rebuild with a warmer storybook inspired design, something a little more playful, and some different colors from the logo. Okay, so we're going to let that go. Let's experiment with Canva. So if you have, and so this is when I talk about integrated AI. If you have a Canva account, there are some AI features built in. And we're going to experiment. I have not done this yet. We're going to experiment with prompting it to build a website. And again, we're not publishing or coding for a website. What we're looking for is more of a design or a mock-up that what we would do is then just turn over the visual look and try to recreate it in our Divi. So back here that we're going to describe our ideal design, I can use the same prompt that I used over here. And Canva is another one that allows us to attach documents. Oh, I also should mention the Canva limits. If you have a free Canva account, you can do up to 20 AI queries a month. And if you have a pro or a team or a nonprofit account, I believe it's 200 AI queries a month. I don't do a ton of AI work within Canva, so it could be okay for me to do this. Um, but it does depend a little bit on the complexity of the query. Okay, so let me just see what happens if I hit generate within Canva. I have done the same query that I just did, same prompt, and I've added the brochure and the logo. And it's going to continue to work here. Let's go back. See if, well, sometimes I found ChatGPT gets stuck. So we may have to rerun that query. See, now let's check and see if our friends of the library from Claude. Okay, so this is Claude's second attempt at our design for the Thorpe's Friends of the Library. It's also interesting that I see that when it did this, it created a um, alternative text for the logo in this place here. So here, kind of like this, again, the font choices are a little interesting, but be a friend, build a stronger library. So if you look at the brochure, they have be a friend, build a stronger library. And so they built that right in and a little bit of what the library does. You could click right here to join the friends, and that would take you out and see what we fund, jumps you down to some other things of what they do. And you're choosing your membership level. Again, probably we wouldn't be building this. We would be linking out to a membership, um, some kind of membership program. I've got people who are using GiveButter. I've got people who are using PayPal. Um, but I like the concept here of what these little cards do, and a little bit about how to mail in. I might make this a little more prominent on how to mail in your membership, but it actually doesn't look too bad. The color's a little bit off from what the Thorpe Library does use, but I can fix that color palette pretty easily, and then having that logo there would be kind of fun. So this as a second pass, I think is not a bad thing. If you were to send this to me and be like, I need a new page made for my website, here's an HTML file with a mock-up of something that I like, I could work with this. I can use these visual cues to design Divi specific elements that would work for this. There's a lot of Divi pieces that work very well for this kind of design. I might have to tweak some of these to make them work specifically, though. So this is a good example. Let's go back and see, did ChatGPT come up with anything? No. Let's see. Are you stuck? I'm going to stop. Let's try ChatGPT. Can you create an HTML mockup of this design? I think I was trying to create it as yeah, I think I was trying to create it as an image, and that was making it work too hard. Like this, where it's like, can you create an HTML mockup? So asking it to create an HTML is going to give you not a live web page that anybody else is going to see, but it will create a file that opens in a browser and will look like a web page. So this is actually kind of interesting because it's going to tell you exactly how it's going to create the design in it. It's going to tell you what a more polished and a wireframe. Here's the wireframe. Now I'm going to say yes. Please create this as a no. I just I just want an example that I can see or I can upload. I can create a single HTML mockup. Yes, that's what I want. Please create the single HTML mockup. That's fine. Yes, yes, do that. Okay, do it. This is what I run into with trying to get ChatGPT to create an image. I just had to keep telling it to do the thing I wanted it to do. And now it's going to tell me that I've used all of my free limits for the day. So that's the other side with the free accounts is you can really only do so much within the amount of chat you've got. But it finally spit out something of a visual. I won't be able to go back and ask it to polish this today. It too pulled up the green, very similar to what Claude did. And it's interesting. It kind of just basically took the text and made it into tables and boxes. So there's not a lot here. I tend to lean on Claude for the actual design piece. I would probably use this as a very, very early starting point in like just laying out a wireframe for ChatGPT. I do think ChatGPT works better when you have a lot of information to throw at it and it needs to take it and organize it and winnow it down. Let's see what Canva's come up with. Canva took, it looks like a very different approach. Welcome to our library. Big cards, our missions. Canva really loves images because that's what it does. I actually have for a couple of designs within ChatGPT and Claude told it not to use images or to create placeholders. So this isn't bad. It's a different color scheme than we've had before. Again, I am not going to export this and import it and make it a web page on our site. I would use it more as like, do I like the look of it? Are there some things that I like or don't like? Canva doesn't really do the back and forth polishing discussion piece because you can like you get your design, you can regenerate it, you can say it's good, it's been bad. You can try again and see if you get something a little bit different, but it might give you just get you some things onto a page and then you can start to work with it. It might be a little better for generating the poster or the brochure, and then you can feed the brochure into Claude, one or the other. So let's see. We've worked with Claude. We have worked with. I'm going to go back and let me do with Claude. I'm going to do a new chat because I think I ran out of my tokens. I'm going to do a new chat with Claude. Let's talk a lot about, or more about if we don't have, if we're starting from scratch and we don't have any kind of design at all. Let's take a longer prompt. And in this case, it's basically the same prompt we had started with before, where I said, I am the library website manager for this website. I need to create a web page within the group this page should contain, and then I put in all of this text. And then I said the website should match the overall theme of the Thorpe Public Library website, but give a unique identity. This is also, if I were doing this prompt for real, I would be like, please use the following colors in the color. Again, the more information you can give it, the better. And if I were on the Thorpe Public Library website, I actually have this. I'm going to do it this way. I have their color palette saved. And if you need instruction on how to save your color palette, there is a tutorial, but I'm just going to take their red colors and say, please use these hashtags for the color palette. It's the gray. They don't have the most diverse color palette, but it's okay as primary colors. Okay, let's see what it does with just the text and without the logo and without um, the other pieces there. Other things that you could do, I did regenerate this one. I think I like this without the blue. Oh, I decided that we have event schedule now, which there was no event schedule. That's kind of fun. It really wants us to have events. That's fun. There was nothing in the brochure about events. So hey, let's try a new generation here. Let's go and see about creating a, how about file new? We have brochure, trifold brochure, and let's just say we were going to create a new brochure. Um, create a trifold brochure for the Thorpe Friends of the Library using, oops, using this information. And I don't know if there's a limit here. Um, and the attached logo. There is a text limit. It's not going to let me paste everything, but we'll see what we get out of this because we're just messing around today. I'm going to upload the logo. Generate, and we'll let that go. Nope. Sometimes using multiple different pieces too, like using this to just create certain elements. And then you can feed it into something else and then be like, take this, this, and this and put it together. Again, ChatGPT is really good at organizing information that way. Then you can feed it into maybe you just want to create an image design in Canva. Let's see, let's go back and see how, okay, we're still working over here in Claude. A lot of times you set this, forget it, come back to it later. It is writing up the HTML right now. Kind of neat. Like how it's writing out the color palette. While that is running, one other thing that I have not tried yet, so this is you, me, and having a lot of fun here. We are going to try that same, we're going to try the text prompt. So this is the same prompt, except it has all of the content written out rather than attached. So I'm going, oh, I'm sorry. I should start this in a way that you can follow along. So if I were in Divi and I wanted to try actually building a page in Divi with the Divi builder, I have gone into my website and I've gone to add page. And this is going to be called the Thorpe Library Friends page, and it has the Thorpe Friends. So notice I'm going to click use the Divi builder. So I have a new page. I'm using the Divi builder, and that's how I got to this point right here. So there's the build with AI is the tool that I'm going to use. If you're at this stage, you can also click the plus and you can build with AI right here. And now here is where we're going to put in our prompt for building the Friends of the Library webpage. And then tell Divi about your website. This is optional, but the Thorpe Public Library web serves as a Wisconsin public, or is a Wisconsin library that serves Thorpe and the surrounding communities in Clark. We're not going to generate any images today, and also I'm actually going to do placeholder images. I'm not going to do any kind of image fill. I can't upload the logo here, so it's not going to be able to reference the logo. It can customize colors and fonts, but let's see, I can do custom. And is it going to let me do the palette? Nope. I'm gonna have to go back and choose those colors that we did before. So I can choose two primary colors. You can choose the website default, but I'm actually going to make sure that we choose our exact colors here. We'll generate layout. I do have a Divi membership. Divi AI membership. Okay, that answers that. Guess what, guys? I'm not going to be building with AI in Divi, and I think that's okay. I was just more curious what it would do, but I don't think it's going to get us what we want anyway. So we are going to stick with what we get out of, oof, that's a lot of red. And it went right back to that corporate look. I do kind of like this darker contrast color. But I'm not really super thrilled with the overall look. And I mean, it's interesting, even with the brochure. I mean, with just the content of the brochure, it did basically do the same thing. Make it softer and more playful, less corporate overall red. This is where you can go back and forth. And truly to get once you get in a like a one or two design elements that you really like, you can hone in on that and have that ongoing conversation. Let's see what Canva did with the brochure. Oh, I like how it turned it into Packers. So we don't have because we didn't have a color, we didn't apply a palette to it. Um, but it did do a nice layout. Looks like second page here. Um, yeah, it's okay. Little corporate like. And again, you can't really go back and have a conversation with the Canva template. So it's okay. It's not bad. But I mean, if I did it, I might tell it to use certain colors next time. It's fine. I would probably work more with Claude, and because you can really do that even with a free account, go back and you can do some more refining. You can tell it to look at examples, or you can feed it some more information. So that's a start. It's a way of creating ideas, inspiration, organizing information, and making sure that you're starting to build with accessibility in mind from the beginning. The more um, pictures, images, this goes for anything. Like even if you're just sending us something and you're saying, hey, I want to create a friends page and you're just sending it to us, which is also completely fine, the more you give us, the more we're going to be able to give you a result that is something that you like. And that really reflects the nature of what your library is and the service that you're trying to promote. Um, I don't think we would build anything super corporate looking like this, but that's the difference between like what a corporate library, a website might look like, and you know, a Chamber of Commerce website is going to look different than a Boys and Girls Club or YMCA website. And I really just want you to be able to like take control of some of that and take ownership of what you want it to look like, rather than just hoping and praying that we as designers can come up with something different for you. I think that's what I have. Um, oh, I do want to show you a couple other things. I'm going to log into my regular ChatGPT account just so I have it, have the paid stuff. There are some other benefits that are not just website design. I have found ChatGPT does wonders with poor quality images. If you have an old logo that doesn't, let me see here. Let me try. This might actually take a little while. I have a headshot that I'm putting on a new website that somebody had done years and years and years ago, and the only copy I have of it is very tiny. And oh, this is actually the revised one. Let me see. Nope, that's the fixed one. I need the bad one. There. Um, so this is a headshot I have of somebody on our staff who um, had this image taken, and it's a super low quality picture taken years ago that, or not that long ago, but just not that high resolution of an image. I am going to add that. I'm going to take this one to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, plus it's not the right layout. So please fix this image resolution for a 1000 by 1000 pixel headshot for a website. The prompt doesn't need to be very long, but it needs to be specific enough because I know I'm using it for a website and I know I want it to be a square, and it happens to not be a square crop at all. Um, you can take an image and get it cleaned up. I've had this happen with logos that come from libraries where they've had a logo file for years. And the more I work with it, the more it pixelates. Um, you can feed something like this into a free version of ChatGPT, and have it give you a revised, updated, clean image for use on your website. If it does it, there we go. So before and after, um, a little eerie, but it is absolutely the same person. I didn't have it do anything crazy to it other than depixelate and add the wood tones around it so that it would be a square. It can be on our website. I hope some of those tips and tricks help you if you're stuck on a project on your in your library life. These are some things that worked well for me, and mileage may vary, but give it a chance, and it sometimes can get you out of a corner that you've been backed into. That's what I've got. Again, there will be a updated training document here with a video here, and if you have any questions on this, let me know. If you want to see more tools like this, let me know. If you absolutely hate AI, I apologize. I just know that sometimes the trade-off in this is that it gets you past a hurdle that helps you get a job done in a way that other tools simply haven't been able to in the past. Check out our website. We'll be back next. I'll be here on Wednesday for a 201, and I'll be back later this week with a session on website calendars. So 2 website 101s coming up this week and website calendars coming up on Thursday. Hey, have a great day, everybody, and I really hope you stay cool and aren't bothered by the 110-degree heat out there right now. So enjoy summer. It doesn't last that long.